I've had this pool repair kit now for 4 years, and as long as you seal this lid nice and tight, it will never dry out. I still have multiple sheets of vinyl left, and my container of glue is still halfway full. It's important for you to cut your patches into a circle so that when it glues onto the side of your pool, whether it's inside or out, it doesn't allow for any of the edges to flip up. Once you've cut your patch into a circle just like this, you're basically going to go ahead and take your glue and you're going to put one big daub right in the middle. I've used this patch in the pool when it's full of water and it's worked perfectly. However, today I have a hole on the outside of the pool and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate to you how to fix it. Fold the patch in half to transport it. Roll the patch between your fingers so that that glue will go ahead and work all the way around the patch. Then after that, when you place the patch immediately over the hole, you're going to go ahead and actually work your fingers from the center out to the edges to make sure to push that glue all the way around. Then you're going to go ahead and actually rotate the entire patch. And if you'll notice, I'm going to put my hand over the entire thing and I'm just going to slowly move it around. So that way I know that that glue is completely evenly distributed all the way around that patch. And lastly, make sure to go ahead and hold your finger over the hole where the puncture is so that the glue will go ahead and seep into that area. Hold it for at least 30 seconds and apply at least a minimum amount of pressure. You know, it's not every day that you find a hole in your pool. And when it happens, I tell you what, you really need a patch and you need it right then and there. So it's kind of nice to know that I've had this for 4 years in storage and it has worked beautifully every single time. Guys, my name's Paula. If you want to share this with others, hit the thumb below if you felt that this review was helpful. Thanks for watching and y'all have a great day.